Hey everyone, this is Mukesh once again from learn-automation.com. Today in this video, I will talk about how you can run your Python script, or I'll say Python program in Mac. So in our previous videos, we discussed how to install Python in Mac. So in case if you're new to Python and you don't have installed Python in your system, please go ahead and install Python first and then you can come back to this video. But in case if you already have Python, no worry, you can directly continue with this video. So let me quickly check, do I have Python installed and am I able to check the Python version. So I'm going to start a terminal. So you can directly start a terminal and just check here. Okay, let me just maximize, and I will be using Python 3. Okay, so by default we get Python 2 as well, right, with Mac. So I'm going to use Python 3 here, and I will simply say Python 3 version. And you can see at the time of recording this session, Python version is 3.8.5. okay, now I will show you how you can run the Python program. Okay, so whether it's one file or the complete program, process will remain same. Okay, so let me quickly create a Python program or Python script, and then I will run from the Mac terminal. Okay, so first of all, I will go back to any editor. I'm using Sublime text editor. In case you're not using this Sublime, you can go with any editor, or you can directly start with Notepad and you can just save that file with .py extension and you can run your Python program. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will simply say print. Okay, and maybe first of all I will save this file. Okay, so I will just click on save as, and I will just go to desktop. I will say my Python files, and here I will be saving this file as my first program.py. okay, now this Python file is saved. Now I will simply say print. Okay, and I will just write hello Python. That's all. I will say command s, it will save the file. Now I will just go back to terminal, and you can see I will simply check pwd, which is present working directory. So right now I am under my user. So let me see. So the folder that I have, or where this Python file is present under in the desktop, so I will just go to desktop. Now again I will put ls, and there's so many files. So our program is under my Python files. Okay, so I will just say cd my Python files, and let me clear everything. So right now you can see if I just again type pwd, right now I am under my current working directory, which is my Python files. Now let me just say ls, and you can see our Python file is available. Right now I will simply say Python 3, okay, space, and I will give that Python file, so which is my first program.py, and hit enter, and you can see we got the output called hello Python. Very straightforward. You just need to say Python 3 space and that file name, and it will simply execute a Python program or the Python script. Let me quickly change a small, let me make a quick change. I will say hello Python, and running from terminal. I will make a quick change. I will again keep this inside a function. So I will say def. Okay, and I will simply say welcome underscore user, okay, colon, and hit enter, and I will keep this print statement under this function. Now let me quickly call this function. So how to call, just say the function name, which is welcome user, and just say command s, which will save this file. Go back to terminal. Let me clear everything. Again I will check, yeah, I'm on the current working directory, which is my Python files. Again I will simply say Python 3 space, and what was the file name, which was my first program.py, and you can see we got the output again, hello Python running from terminal. This is exactly what we have written, right? So this is just a quick video which will guide you how you can run the same thing from the terminal. But if you're using any editor, in the editor you get this option, right click and run. But when you work with Linux system or directly from the terminals, you need to understand how to run. Okay, that's all from this video. If you are new to this channel, guys, then please hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.